Hey, volleyballs. Yo, we got a sword. We got the blade. We got the iron blade. The iron sword. But first, like the video. Subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Why did I type I can inscribe? I can inscribe. I can inscribe. Yo. I can inscribe. Wait. Yo, guys, listen. If you want the extra slot, comment down below volleyball. Comment down below volleyball. Volleyball. A bunch of lucky spins. A bunch of lucky spins that you can actually redeem right now with all these crazy codes of Volleyball Legends. I'll be going over and showing you every single new working code that you can actually redeem into this update video, as well as all the other crazy things that they've added into the game, like the Easter bundles. Like, you can actually get some eggs as chocolates as well. I have 1.2k chocolates and I didn't even play one quest. But wait, we can open up some. Okay, I'm doing this. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna tell you what I got. I'm gonna do it. Can I just penalty that, please? Wait, can I buy egg? No, I cannot buy egg. How do I spend my chocolates fast? Hello? Why am I gaining chocolates? Like, this is not supposed to be making me chocolates. Can I give me the egg? Give me egg. Please give me egg. The egg is the most common thing you can get. Okay, one egg. One egg. We got one egg. Can we open egg? I don't think we can open egg. Egg. Super cool egg. But okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that any other day. Comment down below volleyball. Oh, volleyball. Comment down below volleyballs, because you can actually get yourself a free extra slot that I'll be gifting to you guys. 3 winners. 3 winners will be getting an extra slot. Easter code underscore egg. Easter. Wait, Easter egg? No. Easter egg. Easter egg. I know a lot of you guys are the egg eaters, myself included, but this is the Easter code. This is not the Ether code, okay? This is not the Ether code. Time skip. Underscore. K blocks. It's not even K. It's day. No, it's not even day. It's the forbidden language of Danny's people. Danny ruled people. Okay, there we go. Is this gonna give me free spins? Oh, I already redeemed it. Okay. April code. April underscore update. April updates. Okay. We have to take a look, because there is some secret hidden codes in Volleyball Rivals. Wait, the Volleyball Rivals. When is that releasing? Never. Volleyball Legends announcements. Chopped. Is that the chopped code? Code expired? No. The chopped code is already expired for some reason. That I did redeem it though. I remember redeeming it. Update underscore 123. Of course, it's update 13. Update 13. We got a Easter code as well as update underscore 14, isn't it? Isn't it update 14 already? Okay, that is the upcoming code. That is going to be upcoming code, update underscore 14, guys. Make sure you guys actually pay attention. Pay attention. Hocus pocus. Hocus pocus. Everybody focus. This is the code. That is going to be an upcoming code.